Learn Azerbaijani. What is, equals.
nədir?
Welcome. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more tips and freebies. Today we unlock the tiny powerhouse question, what is? That equals.
Nədir?
Imagine a curious parrot following you around, squawking.
Nədir?
At everything, adorable and slightly chaotic. By the end, you will sound confident, curious, not squawky. Your goal today. Ready? Let's make one small question your superpower. Say it clearly anywhere.
Nədir?
Mini tip.
Nə?
Means what in.
Dir.
Means is, so.
Nədir?
Literally means what is, don't mix it with.
Necədir?
Which means how is it. Bonus. Add a thing before it, like.
Bu nədir?
Meaning what is this? Mini dialogue at the market. Picture yourself at a Novruz market, color, music, and the smell of sweets. You, pointing at a pastry, say.
Bu nədir?
Seller. It's.
Şəkər bura.
Sweet and nutty. You, okay? And that?
O nədir?
Seller.
Paxlava.
Layered goodness. You, reading a mysterious label, you whisper.
Nədir?
Narrator. Your curiosity just upgraded your snack game. Drill time. Quick repetitions make it stick. You've got this. Repeat after me.
Nədir?
Again, with a smile.
Nədir?
One more.
Nədir?
Translate to Azerbaijani. What is? Answer.
Nədir?
Say what is this?
Bu nədir?
Say what is that?
O nədir?
Bonus compare. Who is? Is.
Kimdir?
Where is? Is.
Haradadır?
Culture tip. Tiny words unlock big moments, especially when you travel. In museums, markets, or by the Caspian in Baku, pointing politely and asking.
Nədir?
Opens friendly conversations. Pair it with a smile and an eyebrow raise. Locals will often teach you new words like.
Bu.
For this and.
O.
For that. Ask without fear. Curiosity wins. Quick quiz. Lightning round. Answer out loud. How do you ask what is? In Azerbaijani? You say.
Nədir?
Fill the blank. BU______. Meaning what is this? Answer.
Nədir?
True or false?
Kimdir?
Means what is. False, it means who is. Chain them. Who is? Then what is? Then where is?
Kimdir? Nədir? Haradadır?
Your challenge. Let's make it real life and fun. Today, use.
Nədir?
3 times. At your desk, in your kitchen, and with a friend's gadget. Extra credit. Record yourself saying.
Bu nədir?
And.
O nədir?
With natural rhythm, imagine a friendly ding each time. Outro. High five, you did it. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Nədir?
Whenever you meet something new, and replay this episode to drill confidently. For more lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.